Okay, this is a video. I thought we'd bring Harold in to meet the kittens. He's actually met a couple of them a few times. So Harold is my piggy. He's about five and a half, something like that. He's a good boy. He was adopted. All right. So hi guys. You can see the kittens. Hi. All right. So Harold's going to meet the kittens. I've got some dandelion greens to keep him calm and in a relatively going place. Here we go. Here, Harold. What a good boy. The kittens are right. Let's see what the kittens think. Here, Harold. Okay, let's see what happens. So far, nobody's approaching. We have a kitten nonchalantly drinking water. Kitten nonchalantly eating. Oh, here we go. Who is that, guys? Now they're... Go ahead, go meet the guinea pig. They're approaching with caution. They know he's not one of them. Who is this? Is he... What? I think they're more interested in the... dandelion greens than in the guinea pig. What do you guys think? You got 4 beautiful ladies around you, Harold. It's okay, little one. This one's scared. It's okay. Go meet Harold. There's Fiona. And her sister. Assess. What is this? Little half-tail. What is hiss? I don't know what this is, so I'm going to hiss again. Maybe that's because he's a male. Maybe that's why he's responding this way. Versus the others are pretty chill. The girls seem fine. You see Maggie up there, Mama. This is one of 2 males. Here's the other one. Let's see, P. Wonder, see, maybe they react differently than the ladies. I'm going to back up and show you everybody kind of gathered around. Yeah, so you could smell them. Good, kitty. Good. Okay, this is the leader right here. He is definitely the leader of the litter. Ooh. Baby Maggie's licking him. The girls are interested. See, Harold is fine with this attention. Oh. Hey, Harold. Oh, the mousie's become part of the play. We'll just forget there's a guinea pig here. Oh, hey, buddy. You're my friend. Look at that. You're being all... The girls are... Now the boys, he's smelling. She's... Oh, she wants to... She's kissing him. How you doing, Harold? Oh, they think that's a toy. Yeah, it's a pretty cool thing tonight, huh? This is a neat activity. Yeah, Harold doesn't like to wrestle, guys. He doesn't know how to do that. And he can't jump as high as you either. And he's your elder, so you must respect. This looks like a Disney movie. Harold would have he'd be the wise elder. My little pigs. He'd be one of their friends in the forest. His voice would be like Morgan Freeman. Meg's cool. She's very cool. She's wearing her new collar. You mostly see the tag. Hey, baby girl. But now she's, well, you can't really see the collar. Stray no more. Look at that. Officially a pet. Our baby girl. Hi, little girl. Hi. Where's that guinea pig? Where's the guinea pig? I'm going to get Harold out of here before he gets overwhelmed. I don't know if he's under my bed. I'm going to have to... Hi. They like snippers. Hi, Harold. Hi, Harold. Hi, H. Hi, sweetie. Harold. Harold. I'm going to have to get him with, hey, Fiona. Hey, H. Okay. Harold. Guys, I'm sorry, I gotta go. I gotta put Harold back. Woo! Almost tripped on a kitten. Oh, I think he's had enough kitten time. You good, Harold? Did you have your kitten time? This is fun, huh? This is pretty cool. Okay. What was the little dance you were doing with baby Maggie, huh? Come here, you. Sink you back in. Good. Oh, come here. Harold. Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, so that's the saga. Yay, Harold meeting the kittens. I'll be back later, guys. Thank you all for watching. And we're out.